Welcome to a reflective blueprint for judicial resilience, focusing on a technical defense design for inside and outside protection. This explores the implementation layer of modern judicial doctrine. We begin with the invisible siege. The siege of democratic institutions no longer starts with physical force. It starts with broken signals and digital vulnerabilities. Understanding judicial resilience requires examining the, quote, dimensions of vulnerability. These include criticality, sensitivity, visibility, exposure, and network centrality. The goal is proportional protection, tailored to the institution's structural fragility, not surveillance. We introduce the ATS principle, or AI Target Exposure Score. This quantification signals responsibility. The greater the constitutional weight, the stronger the shield required. It emphasizes strategic clarity, proportional shielding, and dynamic scoring. Security must be a, quote, tiered sanctuary. Resources must be allocated based on the fallout of compromise. Tiers range from national crisis assets to zero-trust baselines and phishing defense. We must recognize the spectrum of malice, which extends beyond cyber risk. It includes narrative risk, profiling risk, and coercion risk. Remember, the most dangerous weapon is doubt. This chart illustrates an exposure score comparison, quantifying institutional centrality versus decision sensitivity across judicial tiers using the ATES score. Looking at attack speed versus defense, we see that defense cannot operate at the speed of committees. Resilience relies heavily on automated reaction time, especially as we forecast increases in threat activity. The Sentinel response outlines an automated four-stage process: detection, escalation for high-exposure targets, lockdown for spread prevention, and forensics for origin tracing and review. Crucially, the judge must remain cognitively sovereign. Protection must never cross the Rubicon into surveillance or control. This is a core principle of the reflective blueprint. Thank you for watching this video towards an architecture of resilience. For more information, please contact the Judicial AI Security Initiative.